Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you're watching this from. Alright, so you're welcome to my Six Figures Online Academy YouTube channel. I remain your boy, Igwe John, aka Six Figures. So if this is your first time, welcome and please give your brother a thumbs up if at the end of the day you love this content. And don't forget to subscribe yet again, alright? Feel free to drop comment at the end of this video. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to jump into it's going to be very fast and it's going to be very brief. Today I'm going to list 7 business opportunity on how you can start making money online in Nigeria, even though you're in Ghana or Cameroon, wherever you are in the world. We're starting with number one. All right, number one on the list we have affiliate marketing. All right, so if you wonder what is affiliate marketing, you can Google it. But you get what I have my system here. But an, an affiliate marketer is very simple. It's when you sell people's products. Actually, this is not your product, okay? You sell people's products to those that actually need it. Now, it's just like Mr. A has a service, okay? Mr. A have a service or eye solution, and you being the middleman, you know a person that actually need this service, then you show them the solution to their product. Now, that's affiliate marketing. You are selling a product that is not yours. It's as simple as that. And guess what? You can actually cash out. You can actually cash out big with this. And you can be an affiliate marketer to a lot of company. You can be an affiliate marketer to a lot of brand. If you want to be an affiliate marketer to any person selling an e-commerce, ebook, YouTube coach courses, a lot of these things you can be an affiliate. Okay, and number two on the list is freelancer. Freelancer. Freelancer is actually kind of be freelancer. So what is freelancer? Now freelancer simply means a self-employed person who offers what services and often on several jobs or multiple clients. Okay, so just like I made mention on affiliate, as a freelancer, you can also is part of rendering your services to people. Right? And in freelancer, there's always a way out. Even though you don't have a skill set, do you know what? You can also reach out to someone that has a skill set, and if you and get his service across the person that actually is in need of what this service. You can actually market that you are into a particular, let's say, book cover. Let's say you say you are into book cover, but the recent you're not into a book cover, but you know Mr. James that he's good in book cover. You can actually pay Mr. James probably can maybe $100, and you can charge Austin $500 for the same service. So that's basically what freelancer does. Okay, and places where you can get where you can sign up for such kind of work, you can go to Upworks, you can go to Fiverr. Okay, and there are a lot of places where you can actually register, subscribe to be a member, and you can begin to work to render such services. Number three on the list is cryptocurrency. Now, over the years, cryptocurrency have been taking the internet, in fact, like on a ride. Okay, so and over the years, cryptocurrency have make a lot of commoners people, crazy money overnight. Yes, yes, I can tell you, crazy money overnight. You can see me smiling, right? I know how it feels. Now, cryptocurrency is just the new face of what the financial institute. That's where the world is going. Okay, so what's cryptocurrency? Is very simple. Is what is a digital form of currency that you can actually exchange it for what for value and for services. And we have dozens of cryptocurrencies. Right, we have a lot of them. We have Bitcoin, we have Litecoin, we have Ethereum, we have Dogecoin, we have the meme coins, and a lot. You can basically make money out of cryptocurrency. You can go and buy low and sell high. And guess what? I can recommend you to do what? To go out there and learn. Get somebody to teach you. You can watch one or two YouTube videos online, or better still, get a mentor. Pay a mentorship class so that you can access the proper information on how to actually make money through cryptocurrency. Alright, that is number three. Number four, forex trading. Now, what is forex trading? Forex trading have been around for a long, long time, and I can tell you the banks basically that what they do with our money. If of course all of us have bank accounts, yes. So all those your money in the bank, that's what our bankers, the bank, they use our money, put it into forex trading, even cryptocurrency, and these are forex trading is exchange of what of currencies, okay, exchange of what currencies, and it's similar to cryptocurrency when it comes to the buying and selling of a stuff. You can actually trade USDT against uh, British pounds or yen, whatever. Okay, so basically that's crypto forex trading. Also in forex trading, you can cash out with your mobile phone. In forex trading, you can cash out massively. All right, so forex trading is also one opportunity. I can tell you, you can't just jump into the internet and try to make money online. Guys, you have to go out, pay for a master class or pay for a class, learn that skill set, and guess what? You'll be on your way to cash out big time. So it's not like a cock and bull story. I for one, I trade forex too. All right, so I'm not here to sell myself. You get, but once in a while, if I'm in need of cash, I can just go there, do the analysis, and cash out some dollars. All right. So crypto. On number five, we have what we have forex. Forex trading is beautiful. If you can't trade forex, if you're a newcomer, look, there are AIs. There are AIs that you can leverage on, and they can actually do what you can actually trade on your behalf. I'm going to talk about that next in my next video, so watch out for that. Number five, blogging. Well, I myself am not a blogger. I don't have a blog, but I'm working towards that. That's the truth, because I've studied it and I've noticed that you can make a lot of money in blogging. So, what is blogging all about? Blogging is all about writing art content that show creative solutions. You don't copy and just go to the internet and copy someone's write up and post. No, you have to be the originator. In blogging, you have to write about solution to problems. You can go out there and search what people are looking for, search for what people are asking for. For example, you can say, okay, how can I clean my eyeglass, or how can I treat dead teeth? You can go out there and you can write about that particular problem rather. Then you can say, okay, people are losing money. You can go out and you can still go out and write about how not to lose money. All right. So basically, currently, I'm working on that. So just watch out on how not to lose money in 2022 online. All right. So this is the kind of question people are asking for. You can go out, write it, and keep it there. So in that blog, when people come and read what you wrote down, you are giving them solution. You can keep your link there to that solution you have. So you see now, when they click that link, they can end up purchasing that product, and you in return, you can get what pay a certain commission. So actually, a lot of people, you can actually cash out in blogging if you're able to do it properly. And on number six, we have brand deal. Brand deal. No wonder you see people going crazy on TikTok. Yeah, branding. Now, what is brand deal all about? Branding is actually it has to do with creating content on social media or video content on social media, probably mostly on TikTok. You can say, okay, short videos on YouTube, right? They're advertising a particular product, and guess what? They are going to pay you a good crazy amount of money. You can charge $100, $500. But listen, guys, you can't just go to the internet and try to strike for a branding. You have to have the community. Those people, you don't go for them. The people comes to you. All right, the people come to you. I have I know of a crypto influencer, Adam Shelton. Yeah, you can check him out. All right, for those of you that have interest in crypto, check him out. Look, these big companies come to him. They actually come knocking at his door, and they go into deals. Guy, want to pay to talk about our project, and they pay him good money. He talk about it. He goes home happy. So that is branding. First of all, you have to learn how to what grow your community. When you grow your community, and the people will see that you have influence, you have a community of followers, they'll come to you, and guess what? By just doing simple 1 minute video, they can pay you $1,000. That is good money, right? All right. Okay, and in number seven, I left the best for the last. I left the best for the last. Okay, number seven, we have skill monetization. Now, if you're asking me, you'll be wondering, for those that don't understand, what is skill monetization? Now, skill monetization is very simple. It's where you monetize your skill by teaching people that want to know that very thing you know. Yes. Okay, let's say you are into cake baking. You can monetize that you can monetize that your skill set. There are a lot of people that want to learn how to bake cake. Do you understand? Get them attracted to you, because they can say, okay, how do I how do I bake sponge cake. Okay, if you should type it now, you see a lot of research. You see a lot of search on that. So monetization, skill monetization simply means you giving out, teaching people what you know, and in return they pay you back. That's what it means by skill monetization. There are a lot of people that are looking for how to start editing their phone, editing their video on their phone. If you are good in that, you can now actually teach them and ask them to pay in return. You can prepare a master class online, you can run ads, Facebook, YouTube, okay, and you can drive them into your classroom and you can teach them. If you know how to use Facebook or WhatsApp to chat with clients, to actually get clients, you can go to all these businesses and teach them that, look, this is what I do. This is skill monetization. Do you understand me? So if you don't have any skill in 2022, sister, oga, go and find one skill and learn. Okay, if you are good in forex trading, do you understand me, and you're watching this video today, you can monetize that skill. You can be Look, we have a lot of people that are good in forex. They know forex. They know the basis of forex. They know the basis of what they call it, cryptocurrency. They know the basics. Do you know that small little knowledge you have, you can monetize it and you get paid. Imagine if you can teach 200 people the information you have, they need it. You can teach them, and you can just pay only 5,000 naira. That's almost excuse me. That's almost a million naira. So that is skill monetization. So whatever skill you have today, you can monetize it. Right? And if you're looking for a way to actually learn how to monetize your skill, there's going to be a link in the description down there. Okay, check it out, and it will actually help you. So basically, that is it. Look, you have to, in this particular area, you have to go out and look for a skill to learn. If you don't have one, then you're in big trouble. As much as you can leverage on other people's skill, I would recommend you to go out there and learn a skill set, because anytime, any day, you can cash out from it. Alright, so guys, basically this is it. Now, basically today I talk about 7 business opportunity that you can leverage on to start making money online in Nigeria. A quick recap: I mentioned of what affiliate marketing, number one. Number two, I talk about freelancing. Number three, I talk about cryptocurrency. Four goes to forex, and number five, blogging. Six, brand deals, and the last, the skill set. Alright, so this is it for today. If you find this content very helpful, kindly, I will appreciate you to drop your comment below. Alright, and also if you have business opportunity you want me to help you review, reach out to me, talk to me. I'll make a review, give you my unbiased thought about it. So basically, that is just that. And please, if this is your first time, kindly subscribe, help me grow this channel, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye bye.